Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to share files in Google Chat. Now, I'm already opened my Google Chat via Gmail, and to start a conversation, I'm just going to click on the name to start a chat and then click here. And then to share a files, just click on the little plus symbol over here and click on files to share files from your iPhone, or you can click drive to share files from your Google Drive. And now I'm going to click on files because I'm going to share some files from my iPhone, and then click the files that I want to share and then click open. And then you can add a text over here, or you can just click on send, and the files is now shared to the person. So it's easy guys, and you can just do it in your phone. That's how you share a files from a Google Chat. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys on other tutorial from this channel. Bye bye.